This is the GPS lock module A. So it has two cards. The red card is to seal the lock, and the green card is to unseal the lock. And when you have the device, you have to open it and insert the SIM card. And then you can lock it with the screws. And now you can see the lock is at unlock state. So we can use this card, touch here. And then you can hear the sound that the lock is locked. And the green card is used to unlock the lock. And except you can use card to lock it, and also you can use SS command. First you can see the lock is open. Now we close it, and then we send the command. And now you can see the device is locked, and you will get an SMS command, lock OK. So you can see lock is locked. Now this is another command, is to open the lock. So you can see the lock is opened.好了。